And I kinda knew with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
Are you ready?
Sure.
Ow!
What's up, guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty.
What's up,
here
guys?
at Rap Sesh.
Whoa.
This week, we've been doing a ton of projects and we've been decorating our shop, which is super exciting. We never have time to work on our own stuff.
No, but we had some cars that had
That
to
got moved
reschedule,
around,
so
yeah.
we decided that's the opportune moment.
Well, yeah, we've had this film waiting to be installed for 5 or 6 weeks.
Yeah, they're sitting in a box.
Because we literally just haven't had time. It's been insane. The past like 4 weekends we've been traveling for work too, so
Yeah.
we have no rest for the wicked. Anyways, we're gonna start this episode with a quick shout out to Rap Gear for hooking us up with our Super Rap Brothers shirts.
Oh yeah.
Super cool. If you guys want to check them out at Rap Gear, we have a couple of their shirts we've worn before, but these are definitely my favorite.
Yeah, these are awesome.
And they are suiting because one of our wall decorations is also Mario inspired.
Yeah. Our banner.
Yeah, but let's start with talking about our wall mural.
Shockies.
We had this custom designed. We collaborated with a graffiti artist over in Berlin, Germany, which is really cool.
Super cool.
His Instagram name is DMARK. Don't forget. Like a world-renowned graffiti artist. It was really cool seeing him create this design for us. He's starting to do some car renderings for us, which I think will be really awesome.
He's sending me a couple little things here and there, and it's really cool.
Definitely want to try to get his art on some cars. But he wanted to do this kind of as a shop warming present for us. And so he created it all by hand on like his little Surface tablet. And
it's super cool.
And then
what?
And then.
What? I don't know.
Anyway, so he sent us all the files over after he created this all by hand. And then we had We Print Wraps do a custom print request. With this film, it's actually printed on an Arlon, like high-tack wall mural film. And then it's laminated, it's kind of satin.
Kind of satin laminate.
Kind of matte satin, really, really pretty. So we actually installed this on like Monday and we did, how long did it take? Like 3 or 4 hours? To pull our lights down, prep it. We installed it and then we ran a Rolly Pro with a post heat. Just like our last wall mural install that we did. But yeah, shout out to DMARK and We Print Wraps.
Thanks, man.
Yes, so cool. What did we name the shark?
I don't know.
I think we're gonna name the shark Brucey.
Brucey.
Yeah, it seems fitting. Our friend right now, he's overseas and we miss him.
His name's Bruce.
His name is Bruce. He's big with the shark. Yeah, so that's Brucey. It's official. But yeah, we decided to put all the lights up all crazy. I think we're gonna add a couple more lights here and it'll be a really, really cool photo spot when we're done with the cars. I think it's gonna look freaking awesome. It totally spruces up the space.
It changes the whole like atmosphere in the shop.
Yeah, it's so cool. I'm so in love with it, so thank you guys so much. So this car is a Mustang GT Fidel.
5.0.
Yep.
Little 5.0.
Yep.
But it's special.
Oh, why don't you show them why it's special? Can we do that?
Because it has a Hellion kit.
A Hellion?
Twin turbos.
Oh.
Oh.
And then?
It goes whoosh.
And what else does it do? That's exactly what it does.
Wait, go. That's what it does. Yeah.
Okay. Pretty good, pretty good. So we're actually doing a full color change. If you look on the doors and the rockers, you're gonna see the new color. It's like it's a Hexus.
Probably can't see it right there.
Matte metallic red current.
Matte metallic red current?
Something like that. Red current matte metallic. So yeah.
You need to know your
Stop interrupting me.
Sorry.
Okay, so we're wrapping this car up in Hexus red current matte metallic. And then we're actually doing some gray matte metallic kind of two-tone design to it, just some little accent work.
Right there.
And then we're gonna finish it up with a partial clear bra in the Hexus Body Fence Stealth Matte Clear Bra. And we're gonna do a ceramic coating.
Yeah.
So it'll be a fun one. So on the other side of our shop bay, we also got some other types of wall decorations. This is actually on a printed banner material. And this banner right back here is like 15 or 18 feet. We had Muto America print it for us. And we had Iron Duck Designs design this whole banner as well as our Super Rap Sesh characters. So you'll see up there we have Slim Shedio. Slim Shedio and Princess Vixen.
It's a me.
It's a me. That was good. What would Peach say? Just laugh incessantly. I already do that.
I don't know.
Okay, so anyways, we have our Rap Sesh Mario characters, and then this banner was just a huge shout out to all of our bannermen that support us. So our partners and sponsors, people that collaborate with us in the industry.
Who we couldn't do this without.
No, it's true. You guys have really helped us. It's been so great working with them and promoting their products and trying out all these new products, and getting that support from people in our industry is just so important to us, for sure.
Yeah.
So this was a little thank you to you guys. So we've got a bunch of our collaborators on there: Excel Blades, Body Fence, Fusion Tools, Hexus, We Print Wraps, Muto, Pressure on Demand, Cheetah Wraps, Yellow Tools.
So many.
There's also a lot of people on here that we work with that aren't necessarily partners. Like,
we just work with them, yeah.
Curvaceous Wraps, Glarb Designs,
Yeah.
like all those people, 7-7 Designs, super awesome. We're always, like we always say, we're about collaboration, not competition.
Exactly.
Like that's the thing for us. So we use people all over the US and now really all over the world, just depending on the jobs. So we can let them specialize in what they do and collaborate with us, and then we turn it into a wrap, and it's really fun getting to do that.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's our banner.
Bannerman. We call out our bannerman.
Calling all bannermen. Ding. So we'll go one.
Unless you can throw
so you go 1, 2, ding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Wait, on 2?
1, 2, ding.
Ding is 3.
Ding is on 3.
Ding is on 3.
Ding the 3.
On 3 or just kidding.
Third ding.
1, 2, 3, go.
Or 1, 2, 3.
Like when you play rock, paper, scissors, like,
Wait.
how do we do this?
All right, ready?
1, 2, ding. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. Make sure to check us out online at Vinyl Vixen Wraps and Rap Sesh AZ, Facebook and Instagram. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh vibe. See you guys next week.